So this week has been crazy. It all started with us trying to figure out who lived next to our house.
There's nothing behind it.
We then celebrated the 17th of May, which is Norway's national holiday.
And finally, a boat that ended up kind of a bit
Off-road.
off-road. And it all started with a normal day at our office. Hey! Whoa, what's up? So me and Jonas, we were talking about how hard it is to shoot vlogs in Norway. Here's why. So the hardest thing about shooting vlogs in Norway is the constantly change of weather. It can go from day to night in just a second. See? So annoying. Way better. Is it starting to get cold? Whoa! So yeah, the weather in Norway is so unpredictable. I just gotta get this dry. Much better. So yeah, today we are gonna have so much fun with a rubber boat. Question is, how do we get this thing open? So yeah, apparently it says that we have to smash it to the ground in order to open it. So let's try. Nice. No. Hey Eric, can you bring Jace? I got a problem with the rubber boat. I can't fit it in the car. Maybe you can spin.
I don't think that works anymore, dude.
True. Nice! I personally think that swimming in the fountain was a pretty good idea, but Jonas was not impressed.
I don't know, I think it's fun and cool, but I think we should do something better. I just wanted to do something a bit more special.
No, you don't have to keep it under lock and key, 'cause I will never let you down. And if you can't escape all your uncertainties, baby, I can show you how.
Let's do this! So far so good.
Streets all clear, no police.
As we say in Norwegian, dette helt trikk da? It looks unsafe.
That's the great guy. Most importantly, kids, stay safe.
YouTube? Ja, det gikk jo ikke akkurat sakte. Jeg er jo litt skuffa over at årene ikke er mer slikt enn det de er da.
2 sleepless nights in a row. Michael, you better get some sleep. Oh, cops got the boys.